think it will be better for us to be close to Denmark.
So it's very expensive to live in Britain.
600 grammi kanaliha ja 8 eurot.
Toores vaalanahk.
Gröönimaa majandus ja elukallidus on pea täiesti sõltuv Taanist. Pea kõik, mis Gröönimaal lettidel ja gröönlastel kodudes on, pärineb Taanist. Selle tõttu on ka elu silmnähtavalt kallim kui Mandri-Euroopas, ütleb ettevõtja Tuparna Kreutzmann-Kleist.
You have to pay 25% more for living in Greenland combined to Denmark, even though the salaries are much lower in Greenland combined to Denmark. So it's very expensive to live in Greenland.
Because most of the goods have to be shipped in.
Yes.
Mis muud teha, kui ise poodi kontrollima minna?